Welcome back, motorsport fans. Imagine the roar of supercars, the scream of Formula One engines, and the thrill of pushing machines to their limits, all on a wet and slippery track. This is day 2 of the 2025 Goodwood Festival of Speed, and it's nothing short of spectacular. Stick around as we dive into the best moments, heart-pounding action, and behind-the-scenes highlights from this iconic event. Let's hit the gas. Despite the unpredictable weather, fans poured into the historic Goodwood estate, eager to witness the most exciting machinery in motorsport. Day 2 brought a different kind of challenge: rain-soaked tracks, slippery corners, and the ultimate test of driver skill. The rain makes it even more thrilling. You never know what's going to happen next. Seeing these machines take on the rain is incredible. Leading the charge were the world's most coveted supercars. From the sleek lines of the Ferrari SF90 Stradale to the raw power of the Lamborghini Huracan STO, these machines carved through the wet conditions with precision, each driver showcasing not just speed, but complete control. Rain or shine, these beasts are built to perform. And today, they proved why they dominate both road and track. You need to respect the conditions. It's all about balance and knowing how far you can push. But it wasn't just the supercars turning heads. Formula One legends stole the spotlight, with historic and modern F1 cars braving the slippery hill climb. The scream of V10s, V8s, and hybrid engines echoed through Goodwood, thrilling fans at every turn. From asphalt to gravel, rally legends brought their own flair to the festival. Watching these cars dance through the rain was a spectacle in itself. Controlled chaos, driven by experience. The rain wasn't forgiving. Some drivers found themselves fighting for grip, showcasing just how tricky the conditions were. But it was in these moments that true driving skill shined. Impressive recoveries, calculated drifts, and split-second decisions kept the crowd on edge. Goodwood also highlighted the future of performance. Electric hypercars, the Rimac Nevera and Lotus Avicha silently tore up the hill, proving that electric power can be just as thrilling, even in wet conditions. The future is fast, and it's here. Behind every powerful run is a dedicated team, mechanics, engineers, and drivers working in harmony to prepare for each climb. The attention to detail, especially in such unpredictable weather, is what makes these performances flawless. For the fans, every moment was unforgettable. Rain couldn't dampen the spirits of those who came to witness history in motion. Their energy and passion fuel the heart of the Festival of Speed. Day 2 delivered adrenaline, drama, and unforgettable performances. Whether it was the roar of a V12 or the silent surge of electric power, Goodwood once again proved why it's the pinnacle of automotive celebration. And that wraps up the best of Day 2 at the 2025 Goodwood Festival of Speed. But the journey doesn't stop here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more action-packed coverage. Until next time, keep chasing speed.